How many little blocks would fit inside this shape? Take a guess before we count them. How many little blocks fill the big box? They pack 2 across and 2 deep. Then 2 layers tall to reach the top. That takes 8 blocks in all. Now picture the blocks filling each shape. How many fit? Yes, that is it. Nice, you saw the grid. Ooh, bigger, but you got it. Perfect last shape. How many fit is more than a game. It trains spatial reasoning and mental grids. It sharpens the area math behind everyday packing and planning. And it makes multiplication something you can see. You can play this yourself for free. Scan the code to jump straight into the game. Or just type PlayMemorize.com and play hundreds of free games that make your brain stronger.